Have you ever wondered why some people buy a new house and it's beautifully furnished within a couple of months or even weeks? Or why some people move into a new flat, a new apartment, and it's beautiful and well put together? While you have been in your place for so many years and for so long, and you still don't have everything well matching, well put together, well organized, and you're still struggling. Like, what secret do those other people have? That is having a concept interior design. My name is Tia from Tia Karen Interiors, and today we're going to talk about how you can design your home one time and be confident for years. In other words, how to turn a house into a home. And there are 7 steps in which you can get to do this. And that's through a concept design service. So let's get straight into it. You're in a space where you have your blank canvas. You've bought yourself a new house, you've bought yourself a new home, and you're ready to move in. How do you make sure that the choices that you make today, you will be confident with 5 years from now? Especially people that love the idea of buying a forever home, right? Then these decisions are even more important for you. And if you want to be one of those people that looks like you have lived in that house for many years already when you've just moved in, then this video is for you. Or if you don't want people to come to your house and be like, oh, so have you just moved in? And you have to be like, no, I've been here for a couple of years actually, because nothing looks well furnished or put together. And it can be a difficult place to be if you're not someone who is as creative or has the time to even invest in furnishing and coming up with creative ideas. Not everybody desires to do that, but also not everybody knows where to start. So that's where a concept design service comes into play. During that, you get to decide your interior design style. I have created a video about discovering your own interior design style. It is a part of this playlist, and I'll also link it at the end of this video if you're interested in that. So once you have also discovered your interior design style, we'll then move into the materials for your space, the materials and the fabrics. And again, I would love for you to watch this entire playlist because I have a whole video about how to choose materials and fabrics for your space based on the feeling that you want your space to invoke, so that everything you're buying in your space is in alignment with that. That way we're not having wasted investments, we're not having mistakes, we're not having regrets. We get to buy once and feel satisfied and confident in our decisions. You also have a color scheme consultation. Again, a beautiful video that I have also created. You can technically, this whole playlist will go through most of what you can get in our concept design service, but you also get to choose a color scheme, whether that's just only for one room or for your entire home, and a color scheme that goes. And of course, if you want to find out more about the rules and self-expression of a color scheme, then go ahead and watch that video in this playlist as well. And then you have your floor plan, you have your room layout, you have all your measurements, where each piece of furniture is going to go, the circulation around the room, the feng shui of the room, the movement of energy and people, the sizes of the furniture so everything is symmetrical and everything is balanced. All before you spend a single penny. And that's why this is so important, because sometimes you buy a house for hundreds and thousands of pounds or euros or dollars or even millions, right? And you don't have a plan. And then you fill it with things that won't work, and all of a sudden all that joy and excitement about moving into a new place, woohoo, I'm so happy, then goes wah wah wah, because you're in that space and you're like, my old furniture doesn't fit, or you're like, I don't know what to do with that space, or you're like, oh, I don't know if this works for me. That's where the concept design service comes in. And of course, these are decisions that you make once and you'll be confident with for years, right? And a lifetime sometimes, because some pieces of furniture are so robust that they're heirlooms we can pass on, right? So you get your furniture plan, and then you get your mood board, and your mood board is pretty much getting everybody on the same page. It has everything from your inspiration images to the floors to the walls to the big furniture pieces, the small furniture pieces, any lighting, any accessories you're having, any mirrors, every single item you have in your space. It's a whole full picture. And the purpose of this, I talked about this in my last video, the purpose of this is to get everybody seeing the same vision, especially if you're working with contractors and you want people to know where to place things, how to place something. And also, before you purchase anything, you get to see the colors and the furniture style and know if they go together, if you want to change anything, or if it doesn't flow for you. And then once you have, of course, apart from the beautiful design boards, you also get a beautiful consultation with an interior designer online or in person, where you can get to walk through all your interior design choices for your room and for your space. So technically, that way, if you go through this process, you get to have a space that feels like home, a house that feels like a home. You get to have design choices that you feel confident with, and you get to be one of those people that are like excited and happy to throw a party, a housewarming party, because everything looks so beautiful and perfect, and you're like, yes, everybody please come and see my new home. And everything is so easy as well, super easy, because most of the decisions are done for you and with you, and it's just a beautiful way to be. And I wish you beautiful interior designing, and I hope that this has given you knowledge and knowing how you can definitely make confident interior design decisions for your home, especially if you're just bought a new home, because that's when you deserve it the most. Like all your time and investment in actually looking for that place or buying that place, now you get to enjoy it by making it truly your own. And if you're interested in any other interior design courses or services, everything is linked down below. And I wish you happy interior designing. And well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.